EzyCourse allows you to create beautiful looking blogs on any topic that you want to. You can divide your blogs into different categories to make it easier for users to find. There's a handy search bar as well that allows users to get straight to the content that interests them the most. When you're reading a blog, there's a related posts feed on the right hand side that links people to other blogs that may be of interest to them. In this video, we're going to look at how to set up the categories for your blog. In the EzyCourse dashboard, scroll to the bottom to find blogs and click on blog categories. You'll see I've already set up some categories. To add a new category, it's simple as clicking the add category button, typing in the name, and then typing in a short description. The blog category filter buttons appear on the desktop as well as the custom apps on the EzyCourse platform.